Hi, welcome to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet amazing motif for beginners. For work I will use a ball of yarn and a crochet hook 1.4 millimeters. You can use leftovers yarn. Please join me and let's get started the motif. To start the work by making a chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The foundation chain is ready. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Make a slip stitch. My ring is ready. Let's crochet the petals. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the ring. Make treble crochet. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then I'm making bullion block stitch around this treble crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the treble crochet and pull up a loop to the level of the chain. In total it should be 8 of them. I've done the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. I hold all loops with my fingers. I make all loops the same, like this. I insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, and to complete the stitch by making a chain. Then chain more, 2, 3, and 4. Insert the hook into the ring, make a slip stitch. My petal is ready. In total it should be 6 of them. I've done the first one. So as you can see, my petal consists of bullion block stitch. Let's crochet the second one. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice, make treble crochet into the ring. And while making my petals, I remove the yarn. Then make bullion block stitch. Make 8 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. I hold all loops with my finger, make my loops the same using the crochet hook. Insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a slip stitch into the ring. Here what I have, I've done 2 petals. In total it should be 6 of them. You should crochet 4 more with your own. Then I will show you how to complete my flower. Once you have done all petals, after I've done 4 chains, insert the hook into the slip stitch that I did before. Make a slip stitch. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and I can cut off my yarn. If you would like to decorate your flower, you can leave a long piece of yarn to sew a bead to the center of the flower. That's it, my cute flower is ready. This is perfect project for beginners. You don't need special skills, you just need to know basics in crocheting. Here how the project looks like when you are done. For demonstration I've done some flowers but used different colors of yarn. And I remind you, this project is for beginners and for people who just learn how to crochet. Also, such kind of flower could be used in Irish or guipure laces, or it could be like a separate motif. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use such kind of flower. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!